Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my personal experience using these services. Goldman Sachs versus HSBC USA, which bank comes out on top? In this video, we'll dissect the offerings of Goldman Sachs and HSBC USA to help you determine which financial institution best aligns with your specific requirements. For your convenience, we've included links to their products in the description below. Let's delve into their features, target audiences, and unique strengths. Goldman Sachs, a global financial powerhouse, is renowned for its expertise in investment banking, wealth management, and sophisticated financial solutions. Its Marcus platform provides competitive online banking products, including high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and certificates of deposit. This makes Goldman Sachs particularly appealing to individuals seeking superior returns and a seamless, user-friendly digital banking experience. Goldman Sachs primarily caters to high-net-worth individuals, businesses, and investors seeking global financial strategies, advanced asset management tools, and cutting-edge trading platforms. HSBC USA, the American arm of an international banking giant, emphasizes global connectivity and comprehensive traditional banking services. It offers a full suite of products, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, credit cards, and wealth management options tailored to meet the needs of both domestic and international-focused clients. HSBC's Premier and Advance accounts are especially attractive to frequent travelers and expatriates, offering perks like global transfers, multi-currency accounts, and dedicated international support. Furthermore, the bank maintains a wide branch network in key U.S. cities and provides a user-friendly and intuitive online banking platform. The key difference between these two institutions lies in their core focus and target demographics. Goldman Sachs excels in providing sophisticated financial tools and diverse investment opportunities, making it an ideal choice for individuals with complex financial needs or substantial investment portfolios. HSBC USA, conversely, is well-suited for individuals and businesses requiring traditional banking services combined with a strong emphasis on global accessibility and comprehensive international banking solutions. If your priorities include advanced investment services and competitive savings options, Goldman Sachs might be the better fit for your financial goals. On the other hand, if you value a full-service bank with extensive international reach and advantageous features for global banking, HSBC USA emerges as the clear choice. Ultimately, selecting the right financial institution hinges on your individual financial priorities and long-term goals. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more detailed information, and we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which institution you believe is best suited for your needs.